All right, happy Saturday. You'll be watching this video. This is Dr. J, and we are going to be unboxing some unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing. All right, so let's unbox. So here's the box. It's from Office Depot. So here are some of our business cards. I just kept it simple. It has Dr. J. Can you see that? It's Dr. J, TJInspires. The website is www.TJInspires.com. Yay! We got some business cards. Got some business cards. Business cards. So I didn't get a lot of them because also too I'm going to do the digital form of the business card. So here we go. Something simple. Alright, so here's the second box. Unboxing. So this one is Damon's business card. This one is Damon Alvarez, author, speaker, writer, spiritual consultant, mental health advocate. So these are Damon's cards. And he is found at soulofaman504.com. Yes, we got business cards. New business cards. All right, so we also have our amazing books. This one is called Soul of a Man, Poetry for the Mind, Body, and Soul, and it is available. The books are $15. This one is called Princess Destiny and the Magical Natural Hair. We have only a few of these left. And this one is my first book called Dream the Impossible. A little girl who dreams becomes women with vision. This one is called Dream the Impossible. This one is called Princess Destiny, and this one is called Soul of a Man. They all are available.